In this video, I will show you how to check the status of your transmitters on your B900 display panel. So what that means is if you are not sure what the last transmitter number or transmitter address is that you used, you can actually check that on your screen to make sure that you don't override what is already programmed. So you will use your remote and you'll press enter to switch it on. Then you press the function key. Once your display panel shows fun 1, you change that to a 1, you leave it like 1, and you just press enter, and you will change the second one to a 3. So when your display panel shows 1-3, you press enter, and this is now showing you everything that is already programmed to the screen. So I can see that my transmitter address number 1 is programmed as bed 1. And you just use the right key to go to the next one. I can see transmitter address 2 is also bed 1, which tells me it is a call and a cancel button. If I move over to the next one by pressing the right key, it shows me transmitter address 3 is showing ward 2 B13. And I can just basically keep going right, but if you just want to see the end, like what's the last one you used, when you're at 1, all you do is you press the left key. The left key will automatically go to the last one that you have programmed. So I can see in total, I have 6 buttons programmed to this display panel at the moment. That is basically how you check the status of the transmitters on your B900 display panel. Thank you very much for watching.